Good evening, my friends. Brent here. On my way to work today, I guess there was some air show or something, or stunt flying, and guess who I saw? The one and only world famous snowbirds. Yep, actually saw the snowbirds in person flying on my way home. Hi, pretty tie. And they were awesome. It's only for probably a minute or two, but I did get to see them fly. They say they're an amazing team. Uh, I salute to both the men and women of the group, and also to the Air Force and rest of the Canadian Armed Forces. Awesome work, ladies and gentlemen. Keep it up. See you next video. Peace.